Jai Srimanarayana. 43rd sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Pitasi lokasya characharasya tvamasya pujyascha gururgariyan natvat samaha asti abhyadhikah kutonyaha lokatrayepi apratima prabhava. Om. Realize that Sri Krishna Paramatma is your eternal Father and the Father of entire creation. That is why he is called as Narayana. Realize that Sri Krishna Paramatma is the teacher for you and eternal teacher for this entire creation. That is why he is called as Narayana. There is no one equal to Sri Krishna Paramatma. That is why he is called as Narayana. Sri Krishna Paramatma is only the one most worthy of reverence. That is why he is called as Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I realize that you are my eternal Father and you are the Father of this entire creation, and I believe that only Narayana, the title, can be most fitted to you only. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I realize that you are my eternal teacher and you are the teacher of this entire creation. That is why you are called as Narayana. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I realize that there is no one equal to you and you are the most worthy of reverence. That is why you are called as Narayana. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall keep on taking name Narayana, saying Jai Srimanarayana to have positive vibes from this entire creation. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your word. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana.
Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamανupeta krutyam ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam 7th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Narada Maharshi teaching Prahlada story to Dharmaraju, saying that, O Dharmaja, Prahlada teaching Bhakti and Bhagavata Dharmam to his friends. He is saying like this, oh my dear friends, only this human life gives us a chance to do bhakti. This body, we can enjoy mundane pleasures with this body. We can satisfy our sensory organs in this body. And we can attain Atma Jnanam. We can even attain Paramatma in this body, through this body. Yadhai Purushasya iha Vishnoha Padopasarpanam. Only this is the life. Human life gives us a chance to attain Sriman Narayana's divine abode. That is why every human supposed to be in serving Sriman Narayana in every possible way. That Sriman Narayana is filled up with so many divine attributes, and he is only the one who wishes our welfare. He is the supreme well-wisher for every human, for every entity. That we should have utmost faith in that aspect. In this life, enjoying pleasures is easy. It's not a big deal. And without even knowing, without even our effort, pleasures comes to us, pains also comes to us. That is why only to enjoy mundane pleasures, we should not be wasting our life. We should not be wasting our lifespan. Na tadha vindate kshemam mukunda charanambujam. Without wasting our life in enjoying mundane pleasures, we should definitely utilize this lifetime to serve Sriman Narayana so that we can attain eternal bliss. So that eternal bliss should be attained before this life ends. Some people, let us say, they live for 100 years. So within that 100 years, half of that means 50 years are spent in sleep only. And in the childhood, almost 20 years spent in playing, learning things and all those kind of things. And in the older age, another 20 years are spent because body doesn't cooperate. So that means 50 years are gone in sleep, 20 years are gone in childhood, another 20 years are gone in older age. So only 10 years are left within 100 years lifespan. Within this 10 years, we should definitely make sure that the ultimate goal, which is eternal bliss, permanent bliss, should be attained within this lifetime. Like that, Prahlada teaching to his friends. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 11th చాప్టర్ 43rd శ్లోక. పితాసి లోకస్య చరాచరస్య త్వమస్య పూజ్యశ్చ గురుర్గరీయాన్. న త్వత్సమోऽస్త్యభ్యధికः కుతోऽన్యः లోకత్రయేऽప్యప్రతిమప్రభావా. పితాసి లోకస్య చరాచరస్య త్వమస్య పూజ్యశ్చ గురుర్గరీయాన్. న త్వత్సమోऽస్త్యభ్యధికः కుతోऽన్యः లోకత్రయేऽప్యప్రతిమప్రభావా. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.